So students, today first we will discuss the table 5.2. So you have to write at least 10 test solutions. In your textbook only one is given as the example. So at least you have to make 10 examples. Okay. So here I have made 10 examples. Sugar solution, salt solution, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, calcium carbonate, milk of magnesia, sodium hydroxide, vinegar, citric acid. Okay. So what we have to write is that what is the effect of red litmus paper on this test solution, as well as what is the effect on blue litmus paper on these test solutions. Okay. So before that you have to understand that litmus paper, it is the indicator that is used to know whether and solution is acid or base. Right. So litmus paper is available in two colors, red and blue, and it is also available in liquid form. So when a litmus paper dip in acid, it turns to red color, and when a litmus paper dip in base, it turns to blue color. Okay, so that's where so if a red colored litmus paper dip in acid, no change occurs. If a blue colored litmus paper add in base, no color change occurs, because litmus paper color is blue when it is dipped in base, litmus paper color is red when it is dipped in acid. So if a red litmus paper turns into blue, that means it is dipped in the base. If a blue litmus paper change into red, that means it is dipped in the acid. Okay, don't forget about that. So here, when you look here, there are 10 test solutions: sugar solution, salt solution, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, calcium carbonate, milk of magnesia, sodium hydroxide, vinegar, citric acid. Okay, so first of all I need to tell you that sugar and the salt solution is neutral. These two are neither acid nor base. These two are neither acid nor base. Understood? So there will be no effect on red litmus paper and blue litmus paper when dips in the sugar and salt. So you can here write effect on red litmus paper, no change. No change. Here also you can write no change. So inference, what you will write? It is a neutral solution. It is a neutral solution. Okay. So same in the case of salt solution. No change. No change. Inference is it is a neutral solution. Okay. Then hydrochloric acid. We know that hydrochloric acid, in the name itself, it is an acid. So when an red litmus paper dip in the acid, there will be no color change. There will be no color change because this is acid, right? Acid, when litmus paper dip in the acid, turns to red. So we are dipping red color litmus paper into hydrochloric acid, so no change occurs. But when you dip a blue litmus paper in acid, it changes into red color. It changes into red color. What will be the inference? It is acid. It is acid. Then effect on red litmus paper when dips in the nitric acid. Same change. The sulfuric acid, nitric acid, both are acid. So here we can write no change. In effect on blue litmus paper is red color. It is acid. Here also nitric acid, no change, red color. it is acid. Then when you look at the examples, calcium carbonate, we know that calcium carbonate, milk of magnesia, sodium hydroxide, these three are basic. These three are basic. So when we dip a red litmus paper in the base, it changes into blue color. It changes into blue color. Okay. But when a blue color dip in the basic solution, no change occurs. Okay, so here you can write no change, no change, no change. So what would be the inference? It is base, it is base, it is base. Okay. Then vinegar and citric acid. Vinegar and citric acid both are acidic. Vinegar contain which acid? Acetic acid. So these two are acid. So no change occurs when dips in the red litmus paper. But when dip the blue litmus paper, it change into red color. Red color. Because it is acid. Like this you have to write table 5.2. Okay. Okay students, now let us discuss the second table, that is 5.3. So 5.3, in 5.3 you have to test the solutions with the turmeric. Okay, so effect on turmeric. What happened to these solutions when you add turmeric into these solutions? That is the table 5.3. So we know that turmeric is acidic in nature, right? Turmeric is acidic in nature. So when this turmeric add to an acidic solution, no change occurs. No change occurs because it is acidic in nature. Turmeric is acidic in nature. So when it add to an acidic solution, there will be no change. But when a turmeric add to a basic solution, its color changes into red because of the neutralization reaction. So when we add turmeric solution or turmeric into a basic solution, it turns to red. So that we have to do in this table. So here first we have to check which one is acid, which one is base. Here lemon juice we know that it is acid. Orange juice we know that it is acid. Vinegar also acid. But milk of magnesia is base. Baking soda also base. Lime water is acid. And sugar, it is a neutral solution that I told you. It is neither it is neither acidic or nor basic. Such as common salt also it is neutral. So we have to check the effect of turmeric on the solution. So as I told you earlier, when turmeric add to acid, there will be no change because turmeric is acid in nature. But when it added to a base, it changes into red. So here we can write the effect on turmeric. The lemon juice, no change because it is, remark we can write, it is acid, right? Then orange juice, we know that it is acid, so no change. Same reason, it is acid. Okay, so for acids, same. We can write the same. But for base, the milk of magnesia is base, right? Milk of magnesia is base. So when we add turmeric to a base, it changes into red color. It changes into red color because it is base. Same as in the case of baking soda, it changes into red color because it is base. Then lime water is an acid, so no change occurs when turmeric added. Then it is a acid. Then sugar and common salt both are neutral. So for both no change because it is neutral solution. It is neutral solution. Okay, so this one will be the table 5.3. So next, this video is about table 5.4. Here you have to test the solution with the help of China rose. Okay, so here China rose, we know that it is an indicator to show whether a test solution is acidic or basic. Okay, acidic or basic. So it helps us to determine this given solution is acidic or basic. So here you can see that China rose, when added to acid solution, it turns to dark pink in color. But when it added to a basic solution, the solution change into green color. So there is difference. When it added to acid, changes into dark pink. When it is added to base, it changes into green color. So let us discuss this, whether this test solution in which and all are acid and which and all are basic. Okay, so shampoo is a basic solution. Lemon juice is an acidic solution. Soda water, we know that it is a carbonate. It is a carbonate. So carbonated water is acidic. Okay, carbonate water is acidic. Then here sodium hydrogen carbonate solution, that is nothing, it is baking soda. It is baking soda. The another name for baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda. So all we know that baking soda is base. Then vinegar, we know that it is acid. Sugar solution neutral. Common salt solution also neutral. So we know that when China rose added to acid, changes into dark pink, and when it added to a base, it changes into green, right? So shampoo is a basic solution. So initial color of the shampoo is white in color, but the final color will be green because when China rose add to a base, it changes into green. Then lemon juice, colorless, right? Colorless. It is colorless, but it is acid. When an China rose added to a acid, it changes into dark pink. So final color will be dark pink. Then soda water, that is also acid. So soda water also colorless, no color. Then its final color will be green because it is, sorry, not a dark pink because it is acid. Then sodium hydrogen carbonate, otherwise baking soda, which is a basic, and its color is white. When the China rose added to the base, its color changes into green. Then vinegar, we know that it is acid. So vinegar, when the initial color, we can write colorless, and it affect final color. When added the China rose, its final color become dark pink. For the neutral solution, that is sugar solution and common salt is neutral. No color, no change. Here also you can write no change. Okay, so that is all about the table 5.4. So table 5.5. Table 5.5, we are concluding all the effect on this litmus paper, turmeric paper, China rose. What would be the effect of these indicators on the test solution, that is acid? So we have to write different acid name here, and what would be the effect of litmus paper, effect of turmeric, and effect of China rose. So one example I will write HCl or hydrochloric acid. It affect on litmus paper, it turns into red color. Only here asked the litmus paper, not red litmus paper. It is asked the litmus paper. So when litmus paper dips in acid, it changes into red color. Effect on turmeric, there is no change in color. Then China rose, dark pink, dark pink, right? So for all the acids, same effect on litmus paper as well as on turmeric as well as on China rose. Okay. So that is all about table 5.5.